A jury decided the fate of a woman convicted in a Harlingen intoxication manslaughter case.
Taylor Nicole Ramirez was sentenced to 5 years in prison. Channel 5's Carolina Cruz joins us live from Brownsville with more. Carolina.
The jury decided after 4 hours Ramirez's fate. They unanimously came up with that verdict. And earlier today, the jury of a panel of 12 decided that Ramirez was guilty of intoxication manslaughter with a vehicle. That means the group agreed Ramirez was at fault and responsible in the August 2016 accident. It happened at the intersection of Loop 499 and Grimes Street in Harlingen. Ramirez was driving her car when she hit motorcyclist David Salinas. He was stalled at a green light. The 29-year-old suffered injuries that left him in a coma. Salinas died that following week. Police reports indicated Ramirez and Salinas each had alcohol in their system at the time of that accident. Before her sentencing, Ramirez took the stand today and addressed Salinas' family directly for the very first time. In tears, she said she felt, quote, a lot of guilt, a lot of shame, a lot of sadness, just a lot. Never meant for this to happen, end quote. In closing arguments, the state pleaded the jury give Ramirez a sentence that matched the crime leading to Salinas' death. On the other end, the defendant's attorney told the jury to think about what Ramirez can do now following this accident. Her father begged the jury to be merciful in their sentence and grant his daughter the opportunity to become a counselor and be an influence in preventing accidents like this one. Salinas' father said he's not happy with the verdict. He thinks 5 years just isn't enough.
It's horrible. Hard for me to sleep. I'm wanting to see him. I want to talk to him. I want to give him a hug, tell him I love him. I can't. I can say it, but I'm saying it to an empty space. I hope he's somewhere watching me and taking care of me like he was when he was here.
After the verdict, Salinas' father addressed Ramirez directly. He said he doesn't wish her ill will, but hopes she comes to feel the loneliness and pain losing his son caused him. Ramirez will now spend the next 5 years in prison. She will be eligible for parole after serving half her sentence. She does have a right to appeal within the next 30 days. Live in Brownsville, Carolina Cruz.